Hey everybody, congratulations on making it to NCNS Finals. We're so excited to have you here on the 16th and 17th of November. I wanted to go over just a couple general rules for the courses that you guys will be doing that weekend. On the course, there will be no mounting hardware or straps in play on any of the obstacles. All our halfway points are going to be marked with a pink tape, duct tape, and then our posts that are allowed to be used in the course will be marked with green tape. On all courses, there will be a 4-minute time limit throughout the course. On each obstacle that you go through, any incidental contact with posts, pads, any type of obstacle that is not allowed in that, you will get one warning. If you make contact with that again, it will result in a fail, and you will have to move on to that next obstacle. We will be going through all the different course demos, and we are so excited to have you guys here for NCNS Finals.
How's it going, guys? Chris here with 4-Star Ninja Academy. I'm going to be demoing the pro course for our NCNS Finals competition. Obstacle 1, Weebo Wobbo. Clear. Obstacle 2, let's not tech about it. Clear. Obstacle 3, the influencer. Clear. 4, the roundabout. Clear. Alright, obstacle 5, the deadliest catch. Clear. Obstacle 6, the wave rider. Clear. Obstacle 7, drop the beat. Clear. Obstacle 8, apples and bananas. Clear. Obstacle 9, tip the scales. Clear. Obstacle 10, sawmill in French. Siri. Cliffhangers only. Got it. Okay.
All right, everybody, I'm going to go through the rules for the pro course for NCNS finals. Starting off, obstacle 1, you're allowed the tops of these blocks, not the base. So tops only, block. You're allowed to use this blue bar, the springy step here. Squishy. This squishy here is your halfway point on this obstacle. All right, this spring step, bar, squishy, to our orange pad, which is our point B. On to, let's tech about it. We have, let's tech about it. Starting off, this is your point A. You are allowed to use this cane and all cradles to make our way over to the orange pad. Cane is only allowed on the orange cradles, not on any of the trussing. So the blue bar, orange bar up there. So cradles only. When you get to the third cradle, contact with the third cradle with the cane will get you your halfway points on this obstacle. Hop it across, going to this orange pad. All right, on this orange pad, you must take the cane with you because the cane is the only thing allowed in this ring here. All right, so the cane must remain with you. Use the cane here to swing across to the A-frames. Then use the tops, sides, just not the base down at the bottom. Going across the tops of our A-frames, finishing that obstacle right here on the tire platform. This is your point B. All right, then becomes point A for the influencer. Starting off, we're running through our quad steps, tire platforms to the trampoline. The blue is not in play, so you're not allowed to run up and jump off the top of this blue. So using the black on the trampoline to bounce our way up to the tick-tock, swinging through the tick-tock. You're allowed to use that cliffhanger up on top to get our dismount to our point B. Then it becomes point A for the roundabout. For the roundabout, we're using the trapeze bar, the T-hole, the flywheel, and the dog bowl to get all the way back to here. The rule with this obstacle, since point A and point B are right next to each other, is you must go around this post. All right, so the roundabout. So you are allowed to use as many or few of the obstacles as you want, as long as we're going around this post. And a big dismount to our orange pad here. Halfway point on this obstacle is contact with the flywheel. On to deadliest catch. Starting off on your point A, you're allowed to use the trapeze bar and the claws to make our way through the net. Hands are allowed only on the claws, and this is upper body only, so feet are not allowed in the cargo net through this obstacle. So you must use those claws to make your way through the cargo net. You'll have this gray pad here to get to your orange pad, which is your point B. Halfway on this obstacle, the cargo net, there will be tape markers on the net where the claw must contact the net past the tape markers to get your halfway point on this obstacle. All right, on to obstacle 6. Way brighter. You got a gray pad here. On to our lower body obstacles. You got the tops of the peg steps, no bases down below. Onto the tilting platforms here. Tops only on the tilting platforms. If they tip over, whoop, those are not in play, all right? So just on the flat platforms. On the middle little dial here, it is the face of this only. Bottoms are not in play, so if that tilts over, you cannot use this part of that obstacle. This is your halfway point. Getting contact with that will get you your halfway point. You got 2 more tilting boards, 2 more peg steps to get to your point B. Then that becomes point A for drop it or something.
Drop the beat.
Drop the beat. You have your special delivery, handles, mail slot. Both of those are in play. You will be going to a magnetized rope drop. So rope only. Stay off of that hardware. And then you've got a trapeze bar. Forgot to mention the rope is your halfway point on this obstacle. Dismounting to our orange pad, this is your point D. And then becomes point A for apples and bananas. On to Got our 4 quad steps, A-frame to get to our bullseye. The bullseye is your halfway point for this obstacle. And then you have your 2 bananas to dismount to your point B. On to tilt the scales. You're allowed to use this ring to get onto the floating beam here. The beam itself is a lower body only obstacle. Straps are not in play on this. So, waist down, you can sit down on your butt, work your way across. When you make contact with this second platform, you will get your halfway points for this obstacle. And then you'll be rocking that beam back and forth, jumping out to the hammer. You can use the handles or just the head, however you choose to get onto that hammer. And dismount to our point B. On to our final obstacle, the sawmill. Coming over, you'll be hopping that salmon ladder bar across. When you get to the end here, you will have to bring that salmon ladder up to the second level. Any contact with the second level with the salmon ladder bar will get you a halfway point. So whether you hit the back side of it here or up on top, you will get your halfway point. You'll be hopping through the wave. You got little cradles there that the bar will go into, so you can get that swing. And then we are throwing for Eiffel Tower. Cliffhangers only on the Eiffel Tower for you guys. So, cliffhangers, we'll be building our swing to our final dismount. The blue square right here. The light blue square. All right, everybody. We can't wait to see you guys on the 17th. Good luck.